Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV T5 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into Bootloader. So, to get started, you want to hold your power button, and from the options, select Power Off. When the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. I just wait for it to first turn off. So, like I mentioned, power button and volume up at the same time. And there we go. This is our boot mode. Now in here you will need to use volume up only to navigate through the three options that we have access to, which going over them we have recovery mode. The second one is fast boot mode, and the third one is normal boot, aka leaving this and going back to Android. Now once you have option that you want to confirm selected, which for me I'm gonna select normal boot just to leave this and go back to Android, then all you need to do to confirm it is press volume down. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.